Well, we're here in Mindelo, Cape Verde. We're not here for very long. We have the strangest Christmas day ever. Steve shows me his latest invention. We meet our Atlantic crossing boat buddies, SV CUBA. We do a couple of boat jobs and Gus manages to get us into deep trouble just as we're about to leave. We'd never met our boat buddies before, and this was the image that was sent to us within seconds of dropping anchor. But with a great sense of humour, they picked us up and took us to their favourite bar. The following day, after a much needed rest, we unhooked the dinghy and went for a short walk ourselves.
Everything you read, you and I won't happen again, and I will never let this go. I know that I will get by. Or did you think I would cry? Or did you think I would fight?
Mindelo.
Yeah, we're in Mindelo. Very, very different. It's the day before Christmas Eve, 23rd of December. It's very warm. It's about 28 degrees. It is gorgeous. Our boat is out there somewhere. They're pretty, aren't they, those?
I think that's the floating bar.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
We didn't have turkey for Christmas. We've got lamb. We bought chomp chops from Gibraltar with us. Could you pass me the mint jelly, please? Christmas Day on our own was a first for us. We had a lovely roast dinner, and then afterwards Steve entertained me by showing me his latest invention of a mast climber. We're Steve and Annette, and with our little pooch Gus, we live on our Venus 46 ketch. Our life is simple. We're going to sell as far as we can for as long as we can, and we want to share it all with you.
I'm a highly trained professional.
Oh, explain again.
These are rated at a lot. 6 kilonewtons.
6 kilos? What are they rated at? 6 kilos?
KN.
Oh, what's that? Is that Chinese crap?
No, 6 ton. But anyway, so that goes on to your secondary line. Not your primary line, your secondary line. Okay? And with that like that, I can manoeuvre it up. And all the time it's locked off, I've got a foot brace that I can think. So if this one breaks, I'm onto this. Okay? Or I can stand in this. And I've all my weight on that. But I've also got that bit attached to the bosun's chair. When I want to come down, you'll release me down. I'll open that up so that it can free run.
And then you just fall down.
I don't fucking fall down. You're controlling me. If
Oh,
I
right,
fall
okay,
down,
yes.
It's down to you. And then when I either get up off the deck and punch you in the face and throw you over the side, or come back from hell and bloody haunt you. You're not convinced, are you?
No, I'm not totally convinced because
Well, I've never used it before. So.
Well, no. I think this is something you've dreamt.
No!
Yeah, it is, Steve.
Yeah, but how do you think the human race evolved? By people having ideas in their head.
Yeah, but this is safety equipment.
Oh, and who's the safety police?
Me. On this occasion, it's going to be me.
It's not Chinese cheap shit. These are like quality.
Well, you've made that yourself.
Doesn't mean to say I don't know what I'm doing. People pay good money for that. No, it's not crap stitching, it's like properly done.
Yeah.
If it was good enough for Discovery Yachts, it's good enough for like...
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I've got a bone stuck to my foot. What's that?
Guess, is that your bone?
Come here. Sit. Up. Down.
Isn't that it? I don't want that.
Oh, back under my foot again, is
Oh, get him a piece of bacon.
it? Smells like... It's the best bacon that we were ever going to find since we left the UK. Right, Right. Oh, good boy, that's a good boy. That's it. Now Now. Down.
Good boy, Gus. We are so humbled by all of the support that our patrons and coffee friends give us. If you'd like to support us, the links to both Patreon and coffee are below in the narrative. Thanks very much, everyone. Those of you that are watching and have a dog, take note. When we checked into Cape Verde, they weren't in the slightest bit bothered that we had a dog on board. He wasn't checked in and we didn't have to check him out. We were even allowed to take him to the beach. We kept him on a lead because of the street dogs and he thoroughly enjoyed it. If you've watched our previous episode, you'll see that we had to take down the head sail and repair it on board. On our trip from Gibraltar down to the Canaries, it had actually caught on the shroud and ripped, which is the reason why we had to repair it. Having repaired the sail, we stupidly then didn't resolve the source of the problem. So this is Steve just going up now to try and sort out the cap on the end of the shroud. The cap shroud taped up, we only had one job left to do. Oh, we're getting ready to leave Mindelo in a couple of days. We're just going to go and buy our fruit and veg. Well, see what we can get anyway. It's not brilliant, but it's what it is. Not much we can do about it. I've got to get fuel and I want to go to the pharmacy and the bakery.
Did you get any onions? Did you get any onions?
Sorry?
Did you get any onions?
I got one bag. Do you think that's going to be enough or not? Do you think I'll just get another bag?
I'd get another bag. They look quite
Get it
nice.
There's no problem because if they start getting soft, I just freeze it.
Yeah, man, I've never seen them this bag big.
And Sarah, some
I wouldn't even know what to do with it. What to do with it? Just boil it?
Yeah, it's like a
boil it.
potato.
Like
And
potato?
You can do a dressing, depends how you want it. It's a little olive oil and salt, or you can do olive oil, garlic and salt, and mash.
Yes,
like
mash it all. Yeah? Oh, right, okay. See, that looks like lamb. That is definitely lamb, I think. That's beef. Oh my God, this is us leaving Mindelo. We're going to Turtle Bay today for just for the day, which is about 10 miles away, and then we're all prepared to leave for first thing in the morning, heading to Martinique. Unbloody believable. That's pretty dramatic. This is the just going around the headland in from Mindelo. Got the wind right on the nose, but it's a beautiful day. We've offered to make some water for Sarah and Enrique. Steve's just gone over to get their jerry cans. And I'm going to show you. So we've got these two here. Those two little bottles. This one big bottle. And then this lot. I think think they've been pulling them out of the sea on the way round.
Some I'm going to put seawater in, it'll be like a little game when they open them up. It's like, so they won't know which ones.
Guess what? We found another 1,000 escudos, so we can have 2 drinks. Oh my god!
We're probably going to need that to get the dinghy back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're here with
Vicente.
Annette and Gus. Sorry, Annette and Steve.
Annette and Gus. You keep getting it wrong.
I'm not even here.
Sorry, Steve is not here. Annette and Steve from SV Cordelia. Oh god.
And also Nico and Sarah from SV CUBA.
Yeah, so we are gonna cross the Atlantic together, and we leave it today. Steve is left because I guess.
Gus stole the sunglasses from somebody.
Gus stole some. Oh god. Oh Gus. Oh god.
This is the point with only 3 hours to go before we leave and cross the Atlantic Ocean that Gus decides that he's going to steal somebody's sunglasses on the beach and run off with them. Initially, the only person who realised what was going on was Steve. Sarah, Enrique and I were all laughing about it.
Come here, bring that. It's not your. Oh god, stole the sunglasses. Come.
Gus!
Come here, give me the sunglasses.
Gus! Come on!
Come here now.
Oh fuck. Come here, give me the sunglasses.
Guys, come back.
I thought they were his glasses. Gus! Touch that.
Dogs.
We're going to need to clean them. You haven't got any water on you, have you?
No, oh dear.
We didn't have any cash on us to buy a new pair, but luckily Enrique managed to spit and polish them and the guy accepted them back reluctantly.
So we are here in Turtle Bay, just on the other side of Mindelo with Annette and Steve and Gus. So we're about to cross the Atlantic. We're leaving today at around 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Should take us about 18 days maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 18.5 days.
Yeah, we're gonna keep try to keep in VHF range and AIS range and whatever range we can. The best. Cheers for the best Atlantic crossing.
Yeah,
ever.
the best.
Cheers,
Yeah.
guys.
Cheers. Is that me? Portugal probably.
España, Canada.
So that's it.
Bags are packed and we're ready to go.
We've been ready for a long time and now we just want to get going. And it should be 18 and a bit days, most probably 20.
21.
Yeah, 21. And we'll see you on the other side. Kiss. Mwah.
Good. Hey. Hey, you filthy animal.
Okay.